So what happens to the prostate when a man masturbates and also takes zinc? Prostate issues have been a concern for men for centuries, with the first written description of urinary retention, a common complication of an enlarged prostate, found in the ancient Egyptian Eba papyrus written around 1500 BC, and it was believed to have been copied from a material dating back to 3400 BC. But despite this long history, not until recently we began to understand the role of the prostate and factors that contribute to its health. So before we get into this zinc and masturbation for the prostate, let's actually understand what the prostate is. Now the prostate is really a gland. It's a walnut-shaped gland that is located underneath your bladder, wrapping around your urethra. Your urethra is just like a tube that carries urine straight for your penis. Now the function of the prostate is actually to produce the seminal fluid which nourishes and transports semen out of the penis. Now prostate issue most of the time is due to hormonal problem like your androgen. So as most men start to age, there is increased expression of this enzyme called 5-alpha reductase, which takes your testosterone and converts it into another hormone called dihydrotestosterone. Now this dihydrotestosterone is a very potent androgen. Once it binds to your androgen receptors in the prostate, it's going to trigger cellular proliferation. It's going to trigger protein synthesis that gradually results in the enlargement of your prostate gland. But zinc is actually a very important trace mineral that helps maintain the function of the prostate. And in fact, as a man, your prostate gland actually accumulates the highest concentration of zinc than any other part of your body. It's not a coincidence. What zinc does is that it actually helps block the activity of 5-alpha reductase from making dihydrotestosterone. So by so doing, that can help prevent further enlargement of your prostate gland. So zinc is very anti-androgenic. Now zinc also helps maintain a healthy prostate environment by preventing malignant transformation of normal prostate cells, and that is actually by blocking citric acid oxidation by inducing a process called apoptosis. Now apoptosis is called the programmed cell death. It is a process whereby your body labels unhealthy cells, dysfunctional cells, for destruction. So zinc actually helps trigger this process, and the other interesting benefit of zinc for the prostate is that it has antioxidant activity. That means that when you take zinc, it's going to help prevent oxidation in your prostate. It's going to help scavenge those free radicals in your prostate, which can result in oxidative damage. So zinc actually has a lot of interesting roles in keeping your prostate healthy. For years, researchers have studied the link between ejaculation, including masturbation, and prostate health. Now, in 2016, a study made the strongest claim yet. Scientists tracked nearly 32,000 men for a period of 18 years, and they actually found that men who ejaculated frequently, including masturbation, sexual intercourse, or nocturnal emission 21 times or more per month, had a 20% lower risk of prostate cancer compared to those who ejaculated less frequently, like less than 7 times per month. Now, other smaller study also found that men who ejaculated at least 4 to 7 times per month also have significant benefit in their prostate. So the theory here is that masturbation actually helps flush out toxins from your prostate, all of those carcinogenic compounds that have the potential to cause cancer. They also help flush out inflammatory compound as well as extra fluid from your prostate, and all of this is going to help improve your overall prostate health. Now, for men with chronic prostatitis or chronic pelvic pain syndrome, which is like a chronic condition in your prostate in your pelvic floor area that causes discomfort as well as pain, but it's actually different from bacterial prostatitis. Some research suggests that masturbation could actually help by increasing circulation and by reducing congestion in your prostate. So the bottom line is ejaculation, including masturbation, could likely benefit your prostate, most especially in lowering your risk of prostate cancer. So taking zinc regularly, getting adequate amount of zinc coupled with regular ejaculation can provide synergistic benefit for your prostate health. But it is very important to understand that this is not going to cure everything. This is just part of the holistic approach to maintaining your prostate health. Thanks for watching.